Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use the taper angle feature in a FreeCAD. It is basically a simpler tool other than Loft. If you have a modeling any part and you know the angle of a draft, then you can easily use these features. As you can see that here at the outside I have use the negative angle to move this surface as a inside, and here I have used the cut features here, and I have provided the taper angle features. So this feature is very useful if you know the angle of the two profiles for this and this one, and similarly this and this. And if you have not angle, then you have to use this loft feature, which is a little bit complicated. And in these features, in taper angle, you just provide the angle if you know, and you can easily model such type of a part which I am showing you. So let's start our tutorial. So I will close this file and I will show you from the scratch. So I will create here a new file, and I create my body, and then I create a sketch on this XZ plane, and I will draw a circle, and I will constrain it with 50 mm diameter, and then I will close it, and then click on the pad. Here I will give dimension of 30, and then on this surface I will create a sketch, and I will convert the outer edge, and then I will draw a circle, and I will select inner one and projected circle, and I will make it equal. Now I will switch to the isometric view. I will close it, and then I will give the pad of 20 mm, and you can see here it is a collinear with my existing pad features. Now if I increase the angle here, and you can see that in positive direction it is going outside, and same way if I give to the negative angle, it will move to the inside. So here I kept it as a -15 degree, and I will say OK. So this is with the pad features, but this taper angle feature is also available with this extrude cut. So we will also see that. So at the this phase I will create a sketch, and I will draw a circle, and I will give it a dimension of 30 mm, or yes, 30 mm is okay. Now I will close it, and I will go for extrude cut, and here I will give my cut depth 20 mm. So this is a very straight cut here. If I rotate it, and if I again go here, then if I give negative degree angle here, so you can see that it is going inside, and if I increase to the positive side, then draft will be go outward here, which you can see here. So this features is very helpful. So I will keep it as a -15 degree, and I will say OK. So this feature is very helpful if you know the angle of two profiles, then you can easily do it. Else you have to go with loft command. If you do not know the angle, draw this profile and this one, similarly this circle and this one, then you have to use the loft command and use the lofted cut here, and here the solid loft option here. So I think if you know the angle, then doing such type of modeling is very easy with the taper angle feature of the FreeCAD. So I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me. For more information, visit the video descriptions, and at the same time I would request you to please like, subscribe and share my video. Your small support will help these channels to grow. I will come with more useful tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.